Tomorrow, the Josh Swain fight is about to happen, but do you know what it is and why there are so many memes about it? Let's find out. 1 year ago, on April 24th, Josh Swain created a group chat on Facebook with other people named Josh Swain, and he wrote the following. You're probably wondering why I've gathered you all here. To which Josh responds, because we all share the same names. To which Josh answers again, precisely. On April 24th, 2021 at 12 p.m, meet at these coordinates. We fight, whoever wins gets to keep the name, everyone else has to change their name. You have a year to prepare. Good luck. And in this screenshot you can see that one Josh Swain left the chat, which is an automatic surrender, meaning that he must have changed his name by now. If we look at where these coordinates are, we can see that it's on a road just outside of Lincoln Airport. And if we look on Google Maps, we can basically see that it's just a road through an empty field, which is probably a good representation of what Nebraska really looks like. Last year, this screenshot already became a meme. That's why it's actually so popular now. On Instagram, it received over 600,000 likes on one page, and on Reddit, it received nearly 60,000 upvotes, which is a lot compared to previous videos I've did. This is absolutely one of the biggest memes I've seen so far. And of course, because this screenshot was so popular, people started creating memes about this event. So this year, people were reminded that, oh, the Josh fight is about to happen, so let's make more memes about it. There is a website called josh-versus-josh.com, which features a countdown. I've got no clue what will happen when it reaches 0, so we'll have to find out tomorrow. Furthermore, if you would go to the location on the coordinates in real life, you would see that there's actually a sign saying that the fight has been moved to a different location, because the fields are private property. So therefore, the fight will happen at Bowling Lake Park. And yes, the sign is actually there. If you look on Google Maps and compare the image, you can see that the orange pole is actually in both pictures. This week, the real Josh Swain uploaded a post to Reddit revealing that the fight has been moved to Air Park Green area, which is basically a third location. And he'll actually be at this spot tomorrow at 12 p.m. And the funny thing is, after this post, the sign on the original location has been updated once again. This is a hilarious event in my opinion, and I'm actually more looking forward to this event than I was looking forward to the Jake and whoever fight it was. I really couldn't be bothered. So for this fight, you can find pay-per-view tickets in the comment section below, and may the best Josh win.